I am not replacing him.
Don't wrinkle the suit!
100 days in office, so many accomplishments, lowered my golf handicap, my Twitter following increased by 700, and finally, we can shoot hibernating bears. My boys will love that.
Sir, here's a new bill that you must read immediately. It lowers taxes for only Republicans.
Can't Fox News read it and I'll watch what they say?
No, you have to read it.
The new Supreme Court Justice Ivanka takes Ruth Bader Ginsburg's seat on the bench. You can buy Ivanka's robe with gavel earrings for only 1,000 rubles.
You said you'd replace me with Garland!
Oh, God, this is horrible. This was supposed to last me the whole 4 years.
Marge, please, give the President of the United States some time. He's only 70 years old. Help! They're taking me back to where I came from!
Where is that?
I don't remember!
100 days. We are 6.8% of the way home. Paid for by Anybody Else 2020.
The Simpsons.